Hi, bud. Yeah, at the moment I'm printing some spacers off out of Ninja Flex. If you are new to 3D printing and you've heard a lot about Ninja Flex, yes, it's a brilliant filament, but I will say you might have a few problems with the standard Ender 3. Well, you will have some problems with the standard Ender 3. So I'm going to run through that on at a further date on a different video. I've got to print some stuff off yet for me GoPro for me cat and stuff so I can show you it happening. But yes, brilliant filament. I've printed a few things now out of Ninja Flex. It is the floppiest, that's the best way of putting it. If you make something, make sure you get some rigid walls because it is floppy stuff. It is some bendy shit. So, but that does create problems as well. So, subscribe, comment, like, press the bell. Support your local model shops, local 3D print shops, because that's where you'll get some information from if you need it. Newark Glider Distribution sell 3D printers in Nottinghamshire, on the edge of Lincolnshire at Newark. So go in there, have a chat, see what you think. They do too. They did a Creator T10S as well. But to be honest, I was going to buy that one, and I'm glad I didn't. Well, I don't know. I might not be glad later on, but at the moment, I'm quite happy with the size of bed I've got. Because realistically, that's all you get. You just get a larger bed size and a larger height printing area. But yeah, this is one of them things where fitting an exhaust, need some spacers, rubber mounts. Didn't have any. Print some off. So. Thingiverse is your friend with a lot of things, but saying that, Tinkercad isn't as hard as people. I made these myself from Tinkercad, and it does get a bit. It's easy. Some people saying, "Oh, it's easy to use that," but if you've never used it before, it's a bit of an head rush. So I will walk you through that a little bit as well on a future video. But like I say, like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, and all that sort of thing. For once, we haven't seen the cat, but yeah. Ninja Flex, very, very flexible stuff, but not the easiest stuff to print. So, talk to you soon, bud. Bye.